Mong maghingi ka pa ng isa. Total, ako, basta hindi para sa akin. So nagbigay si magagandang loob, nagbigay siya ng another one. Isa si mga kaibigan ko, si Ray Langit. Tsaka si, ba't natilas ay talagang Ruben Padilla. Pati si Ipe. Ipe Salvador. Baski sana kung nandyan yan sila. Oh. Pero ewan ko kung sama nila, puro may, pagkatapos nito, hindi ko naman sila baka babae. Tapos may isa pa akong official, si Atty. Lambino. He's assigned doon sa Isabela, Pisa sa Apico, Pisa. Cagayan yun. Ayun, yung abogado doon na nagka-letse-letse, yung Government Corporate Council, yung head. May may franchise for gambling. And he interpreted the law beyond its normal proportion by farming out. Nagbigay rin siya ng mga lisensya using the mother franchise. Para rin siyang pagkor. And even in a draft, he suggested that iparent niya yung nayong Pilipino, at least a portion there, for 75 years. Although it was not in the contract in its final form. But to suggest na 75 years is totally stupid. Ilang presidente magdaan ng kung gano'n 75 years? Parang ibinigay mo na yan sa isang kumpanya, isang tao. 25 years, renewable 25 years. But 75 years, kaya talagang mayas kayo dito sa... Well, you can expect, sabi ko, I'm fighting corruption. You know that. Basta sila. Sinabi ko talaga sa kanila na even a whiff. Yung kay Kalida naman, bakit ko siya i-par out na long before he became a soldier? Yan man ang negosyo niya. Yan ang negosyo ng tatay niya, kasi yung tatay niya sundalo. Actually, inherited ni Kalida yan. I know that because he's from Davao. Yun ang hanap buhay nila, no? Basta may bidding lang. Basta may bidding. Anything in government, mag-bidding ka. Okay lang, walang problema yan. Ang problema, walang bidding, lahat may bid. May bid naman, may nanalo. Kung siya ang nanalo, hindi siya. Bakit sabihin, putulin mo yung hanap buhay ng tao? Why? Are you sure that you will be there for all time? Tsaka ilan namang sweldo? Ako? Totoo yan, ha? Para malaman ng Pilipino lahat. Kaya nandyan sila. There is this prohibition sa kanila na walang transaction, either train or highway or bridge or whatever, na dadating sa table ko. Ako appointments lang sa mga military, yung police, policy. Sometimes we discuss yung economy kay Sunny Domingo. Pero hindi ako pumapayag na may kontrata train na gano'n umaabot sa. Hanggang sa kanila lang yan. Kung yan sa project ni Simato, doon yan, it begins and ends with him. He initiates the project, he proceeds with it, and he signs the contract. And I will take his word for it na maganda yan. Kaya kung nilagay sila dyan, kasi kaibigan ko, they have my full support, my trust, but I do not. Kaya yung magsabi na isang sabi ko, do not even talk about it. Kasi yung abogado, si Attorney Tolentino, he was my fraternity brother also. Ang warning ko sa kanila, if it involves my wife, my daughter, si Inday, or my son, or my relatives going to you asking for something, consider it denied. You tell them straight. Do not even talk about it. So yung kapatid ko, itong si Tolentino, nagyabang, actually yung Mindanao Railway, papel pa yan, blueprint pa. But nagkamali siya eh. Sabi niya, I was even talking to a member of the first family. Yung kapatid ko. Sinabi ko na sa inyo, huwag ninyong pag-usapan. Sabi ang pinag-usapan na maganda sana kung mayroon tayong railway. I said, basta project, huwag ninyong kausapin. So I fired him. Galit yung kapatid ko sa akin. Away naman ko noon, sinulatan niya ako. Sabi ko, look, pati kayo ngayon, there is no such thing as a first family. Lahat tayong Pilipino, first family tayo. Wala yung first gentleman, first lady. Kasi ako kung first lady, patay na. Inom na ako ng tubig. Kasi yung lahat makita ko at maganda at maligawan ko, marunong Tagalog yawa. Hindi kasi ako Tagalog eh. Maligawan ko, sagutin ako, first lady yan. Walang last. So, and it is not really a practice in a democratic government. Bakit pa mag-first lady, first lady? The family of the president. Bakit ka mag-first family? Who are you? Pareho lang tayo. We're all government workers. Ako, I do not say public officials. When I address them, we are all workers of government working for the people. Kaya mag-address kayo kay Piñol, sabihin mo, oy, worker, halika. Do not corny, kakatayo ng balahibo. First lady. Gamitin mo yan. Putang ina, pag first lady, isa ka lang. Hindi ka makasama ng iba. Pero hiniwalayan ako ng asawa ko tuloy. Dalawa asawa ko. Tapos may bakit isa lang kayo? Maraming magaganda eh. Sabihin na, i-ignore mo lang yan dyan, magtiis ka. Sige ka tingin, hindi kay